Hey, look at that watermelon. Let's open it to see the inside. Oh, yum, so delicious. And it's drawing time, so let's draw some watermelon, shall we? It's so easy, all we need is a half circle. And draw something like we just had a bite. Yum. And now another half circle inside, and that is for the peel. Let's add 2 little eyes. Make it sparkling and shiny. So don't forget the eyelashes. And a super cute mouth. Do you remember seeing some seeds inside the watermelon? Yes, don't forget that. Now let's do all that again. All done, now let's begin to color. What color is the watermelon? Yes, it's red. So let's put some red on the watermelon. Don't put the red color on the seed because the seed is black. Do you like watermelon? I love watermelon. Do you know when do I like to eat watermelon? Every day, but especially in summertime because it's so hot. And a juicy watermelon would make it so much better. Now that we finished with the inside of the watermelon, let's color the peel. As you all know, it's green. Let's do it! Remember, when you eat the watermelon, don't eat the peel. Ta-da! Now let's color the cute little mouth with yellow color. Can you see the watermelon is smiling? Yes, the watermelon is very happy. Now don't forget the glitters. Glitters make everything beautiful. Red for the inside that you eat. And once again, do not put the red glitter on the seed because the seed is black. Now cream glitter for the peel outside that you do not eat. Ta-da! All done!
Wow!
Look at that delicious watermelon. So cute, so beautiful. Thank you and see you next time.